Hey guys, in this video, I'll be talking about how to get back to working out after taking a break. This video applies to you if you're a beginner, like someone who has never exercised before, and also to somebody who has been working out before but decided to take a break. So you're trying to figure out how to get back to working out after taking a break. What I suggest that you first do is that you try to appreciate the free time that you have right now. Because like me and many others who likes working out, it's really difficult for us to take a break because we enjoy the habits that we have built around working out. Like me, I don't find my day to be as productive if I don't start my day off with going to the gym and actually working out. So definitely enjoy the free time that you have right now and use it to reevaluate your goals and your purpose for going to the gym, because that's something that you can use to make your comeback to the gym a little bit better. So actually sit down and figure out what's your goal and what's your purpose for going to the gym. What are you trying to accomplish? What are you trying to do each day so you can actually streamline your schedule when you do get back? Figure out the body parts that you really want to emphasize if you're somebody who's just doing this recreationally. See which workouts you really enjoy, which one you don't, and try to create a workout program where it's going to be more beneficial for you to do that than doing something else or going back to your previous workouts. Because now you know that this new workout plan is going to be 100% more in line with your purpose for going to the gym or your goals. And another thing that you can figure out is that what kind of workouts are more or less difficult for you to do, or it's giving you more injuries or more issues. So maybe you can replace those with something else and really plan ahead what you're going to be doing when you start going back to working out again or going back to your schedule. Are you somebody who enjoys working out, or do you find it really difficult to always set time aside to go to the gym and work out? Then maybe working out is not for you. Maybe you need to find some other activities that's gonna make you still stay active but not exactly lift weights. Maybe you like swimming, maybe you like biking, maybe you like doing MMA. This is the time for you right now to explore that. Use this time and make sure that you actually figure out exactly what you want to do, so when you do go back in the gym, you're going to be 100% ready and ready to go. So you decided that working out is definitely something that you want to do and something that's for you. The next step is to actually just go in there, start working out. You don't need a plan right now. You don't need an exact plan. But your goal right now is to develop the habits back or create the habits that you need so that you can make going to the gym and working out consistent again. For me, when I take a break, what I like to do is that when I get back to working out again or I get back to the gym, I like to experiment with the workouts that I normally don't do, or maybe use machines that I don't regularly use and see how they feel on my muscle and see how smooth they are, so that when I get back on my actual workout routine, I know exactly what workouts I want to do because I have experience with all different kind of machines inside the gym that I'm working in. But if you're working out from home, you can actually do the same thing and experiment with the workouts that you normally don't do and see if you like them. And if you do like them, you can actually do the same thing and actually put that on your workout plan. So your workout plan won't be as boring if you just do the same exact thing all the time. Also, during this time, don't start comparing yourself to your previous self or to your previous achievements in the gym before you actually took the break, because it won't make sense. You have to consider this as a fresh start. And if you're a beginner, don't rush things. You have to enjoy the process. You have to make sure that your transition is going to be as smooth as possible. Don't judge yourself. Have your own pace because you're just getting back to working out. You don't want to be overtrained mentally and physically that fast, especially if you're a beginner. So take your time. Actually enjoy the process of getting back to working out again, but realize that you have to take your time. You have to keep your pace, so that when you're actually ready, when you're actually mentally and physically ready, that's when you're going to be able to actually start getting back to an actual workout program. This transition is actually the hardest part for me when it comes to taking breaks from the gym. When I get back to the gym, I just want to get back to doing the same workouts that I was doing before, the same weights that I was doing before. I know I'm mentally ready for it, but physically, I'm not ready for it. So if I do allow my mental desires to get back to the workouts that I was doing before and the weights that I was doing before, then physically, I will be overtrained or I'll probably even hurt myself. But nowadays, I'm a little bit more calm when it comes to this transitioning phase, because I know what happens if I push myself too hard or if I don't give it time to get used to lifting heavy again and doing a lot of reps and a lot of sets. So learn from my mistake, guys. You don't want to do this. You want to make sure that you transition to your workouts again in a very smooth manner. From here on out, every time you do take a break, remember this rhythm that the beginning is always going to be slow and choppy, but as long as you keep the pace, your transition to your main workouts or to the workout programs that you're going to be doing is going to be a lot more smoother and it's going to be a lot more easier. If you have any questions or if you want to discuss anything, let me know in the comments. But until then, thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video.